Hello YouTube, how is everybody doing? Alright, on this video I'd like to show you how to repair a faded leather like this. You see, it's a leather couch in an RV, and yeah, it's faded, super faded around here. So we're gonna use this leather repair kit. What is this? ARCSSAI. Yeah, I'm gonna use this leather repair kit, so I'm gonna show you all the steps, what to do to get it ready and to mix up the colors. So the company told me I should mix up the white, and the primary color is walnut to get this exact color of this couch. Yeah, I'm gonna be mixing walnut with white. So first we put in this mixer the walnut, the primary color, the walnut, and then we're gonna add white little by little, and then keep mixing it. You have this your mixer here, and then the brush. So the brush, yeah, to put it on the couch. Yeah, so we're gonna mix it until the color gets to this kind of color, until you get that matching color. You keep adding white little bit. Yeah, so we're gonna do that, and hopefully repair this, and then you have to let it dry for about 6 hours, and then you can add add a second round after 6 hours, based on if you haven't got to the same color. All right, so now let's start mixing. All right. All right, so before we add anything to the couch, we have to clean it first using alcohol, and they send you this material, cloth. So we're just gonna wipe the dust out if there's any dust or anything, and if there's anything that's like this kind of peeling things, we remove these things, or it could be a smooth surface. All right, let's do that. All right, so I pull the walnut and a little bit of the white, and then now we're gonna mix it. Oh, let me put the phone down. Yeah, let's mix it and see what kind of color comes out of this mix. You have to mix it very well. Now let's see if this color kind of matches to this. It's a little bit dark, so that means I'm gonna have to put a little bit, add more white until I get to that couch color. All right, so I mix very well. As you can see, to be honest, it's not really exactly similar, but I have no choice. It's better than having this ugly look. So since this kit, this is kind of a unique color what I have, I guess. So this kit doesn't have anything that's exactly look like this. So the manufacturer told me mix walnut with white, and then that will get closer. So this is what I got. So I'm now gonna brush it, and hopefully it comes out something similar. All right, let's do that. All right, so now we're gonna use the brush and keep applying it. All right, let's do that. Also, one more thing to note before you start applying, it's recommended that you start applying from the edges and then eventually go into the center. So from the edges you start and then go to the center. That's basically, so that means you start from the edges and then go to the center, and then from the edges to the center. All right.